Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can recover your Roblox account without email or phone number. In case if you're unable to log in into your account because of your incorrect login credential, and along with that if you don't have an access of your contact information, then what you can do is, in order to recover your Roblox account, is that you can simply watch this video till the end, and by the end of this video you will learn how to recover your Roblox account. First of all, you'll not be able to recover your Roblox account from the application itself. So what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you, and as you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in roblox.support. After that you'll be taken to the support center. So in order to continue, you need to provide your date of birth that is associated with your Roblox account and click on next. You'll need to fill up the form in order to recover your account. So first thing what you need to do is you need to provide your contact information. So in case if you know your username associated with your Roblox account, then you can provide it. Otherwise it is optional, so you can just simply leave it blank, and then you need to provide your first name and then the email address associated with the Roblox account. Or else if you don't know the email address, then you can simply provide any other email address through which they can contact you. And for the confirmation you need to type in once again. So first of all you need to select the device that you're having problem on. So for that you'll need to click on the arrow icon and you'll have a list of options. So click on any of these options that you're having issue with. So and then you need to be specific about the help category. So click on the icon and click on account hacked or can't log in, and once again under it you need to select the issue. So click on the arrow icon and then click on forgot password. Now once you do that, you need to provide a description of your issue. Now you'll need to submit a report stating that why you're not able to recover your Roblox account. So for that, type in something like, "Hi support team, I'm unable to recover my account since I have no access of my contact information." If you want to provide more details, then you can do that as well. And once you're done with this process, click on submit. In order to verify that you're not a bot, you need to solve the puzzle. You can see that the request has been submitted, and all you need to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter. As you can see that I've received a ticket number, and after that you'll be able to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Roblox account without your contact information. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.